Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. So for today, we will be doing my daily plans or daily journal setup for the coming week. So this will be what week? June. So it'll be the last week of July. Yes, we're already coming to the last week of July. And I will be using this super pretty kit from Sadie Stickers. So I have like two of her mini kits right here. So I don't know if we'll be using both of them. I'm just thinking, maybe we can mix and match this two mini kits together. Super pretty. And I am using the Chronicle planner, the TN Undated. Super pretty. Look at this color. It's undated and it is half year. So I do use this journal for my daily journaling. So like thoughts that I have. So that is what goes into this planner or events that's happening. So let's see how we're gonna plan this out. Super pretty. I just love, oops, what fell? Uh-oh, one moment. My stack of planners and notebooks fell. Okay, so let's see. How are we going to mix and match this stuff? All right, so I was thinking, ooh, that's pretty. Maybe put this one here. Pretty. And we can like even have that whole, so this top, so if you can see there are boxes up here. I don't really use them, so let's see what we've done so far. Like from the last week, I just put some of this. I don't want to, there might be some stuff that not for viewing purposes, but this is how I planned it out last week. So probably we'll do the same. Maybe we'll put a bigger sticker here. Ooh, this looks lovely. So there's so many possibilities of this thing. So we might put this down. So there's a lot of like the scenes that are big in this Sadie Stickers kit, and then maybe put this one here. I love it. So the boxes here, I don't really use that much, so that's why I was planning to just like put big stickers on. This one's even more big. It's even bigger than the last, so we can put it here or not really use it. Oh yeah, we can put it here. Okay, all right, so let's get to planning this out. So I do have this pages for Monday, then we do half days until Sunday, and then this last page is just, you know, anything goes kind of writing that gets into my mind. Yeah, that falls, you know, just the stuff that needs like an overflow. That's what I want to say, an overflow of my thoughts. So what do we do first? This is super pretty. I really want to put this down. Maybe let's put it down here. Ooh, that's humongous actually. All right, so let's just put it down here maybe, because it looks pretty. There you go. Still with the beach scenes right now, because yes, we are in summer. It is summertime, so we probably put this one down here maybe. Yeah, to complete that beach scene of ours. How is everyone doing? How is your summer? So far, no beach. Only in the planner, as usual. The planner gets all the good stuff. Yeah, so what else can we put here? Maybe this one. Yeah, so another big sticker. I have to cough. One moment. All right, so let's maybe put this down here, and maybe let's put a quote. So I have some quotes as well. Yes, we can do that. All right, so let's see what quotes, you know, yeah, what quotes do I have? Yes, see this, maybe Oceanholic. It's super cute. Chase the sun. Like, what does this quote say? I don't know. It says a sunset, what is it? Is proof that ending can be beautiful too. But this is not a sunset though. So maybe this doesn't go. Maybe that's not for here because there's no sunset there. Let's go. This one is the pool beach. I guess this is like for more of the ocean. Well, because this one's like the pool. Let the sun set. Okay, chase the sun. Okay, let's figure things out later. So let's check out what we're going to do for Monday. What sticker do we want to put down for Monday? So I am setting this up so that I just write down my thoughts already. They're already set. I don't need to. I'm thinking of putting like a alcohol ink swatch over here. Let's see if it needs it. Just a little bit more. I feel like I need the alcohol ink swatch again to anchor this pretty fashion doll. Nice, that's so perfect. Yeah, I don't need a lot of space, so this is for the coming week. So I just like write down like thoughts that comes into my head, and then maybe let's alternate the fashion girls, and then maybe let's put someone here too, because we have a number of them. So there's yellow, there's the brown ones that mean that the brown colors. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe we put her here. Oh gosh, that's super pretty. Okay, let's do first my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right. I'll just put down the dots where I'm supposed to go, like divide it into two, and then we'll get back to planning. All right. So you see the small dots over there. Those are the places where I will be like my guide. So this is for Tuesday. See, because I want to put this and her. So I did get this in premium matte. I just love the vibrant colors. And then we'll put her. Oh, isn't it too much though? Takes up a lot of space. Let's think about this one. Yeah, do we want to just put her down? Let me think first. Let me think about that. I just got too excited. Maybe some just simpler things going on here on the side, because we have a lot of deco with this as well. Ooh, pretty. Maybe this. So we're already mixing the stickers together from both like kits, because goes. I think it goes. We'll mix these things up. We also have a drink over here. Yum. So that is for Tuesday, and then we'll put the fashion doll maybe down here. Let's see. Ooh, the one enjoying the drink. Okay, so this is for Wednesday. Super lovely. This will all make sense when I put down like the days of the week. And ooh, this one looks good too if I put the sun somewhere. Let's see. Do they put the sun here? I like that. Yeah, and then we'll just put some other stuff going on once we get the rest down. So do I still have some fashion girls? I do. Super pretty. Okay, so let's put her down here. So this is Tuesday, Wednesday. So this one is Thursday. Do we put her here or here? Here, maybe, or here. What a choice I have to make. Beautiful. It's so pretty. I mean, like the fashion clothes are so good. And then we'll just put some deco on this side. So do we mix things up? Let's see. Maybe this one. Let's put Yeah, we're gonna travel, right? Haha, I wish. I am traveling, but not to the beach, unfortunately. And then we'll make some yellow stuff in there. Because we have this bow, pretty bow, and a seahorse. Because, we're going to the ocean. Okay, so that, should that have been that one? Maybe let's put, because I saw some clothes. I'm like thinking, ooh, should it have been clothes? Yeah, maybe this, right? It'll go better because it's like we have clothes, and then let's get this seahorse out first. We'll think about that one. So yeah, let's put this bathing suit over here. Oh, if I can get it. Okay, so I guess it's together then. Perfect. Like this, right? Because that is the vacation time. All right, so next up is Saturday and Sunday. Oh gosh, you know what? Oh no. Now that I think about it. Ha ha ha. Okay, I'll just do it in my... Great. Now that I think about it, I'm like, oh gosh, I should have used some other kit. But anyways, that's fine. That's okay. We are fine with the beach one because super pretty. Let's put maybe her over here. Prettiness. And then some deco below. Where are my deco? Let's maybe put the palm tree. The palm tree. This is for Sunday. Then what else can we... Ooh, there's some pretty things going on here. Do we want to do this? Not really. Let's see. What else can we put with this? Some towels. Some towels. Too humongous though. Okay. Maybe. Yeah, it's like out of place. But anyways, let's put it here instead. There you go. Okay, so this part is like my free for all. So that's why I was thinking I'll put this huge one. And we want this bed as well. And how do we put the tree? How do we put the tree? It's gonna cover up. Do we put it in the center? Okay, so where do we put this? And then where do we put the tree? Can we put it beside it? Because, tropical and yeah. I don't know. Am I doing this right? Yes, hopefully. Okay, so that is like this overhang for the overflow. We'll think about what else we can put down there. Maybe where's the shelf? Or like this setup. This setup over here. Mix it all together now. Okay, so I think that works out, maybe. Okay, and then let's see what else. Okay, so this is for this. Let's go back to the other pages. Oops, we have to cut those ones. And see what else we can put around. Maybe this. The Polaroids there. What else do we have? Do we have some foil? I have some foil as well. And we can put that there. Pretty. Yeah, I should have put the tree. Maybe we'll put this one. Let's see if we can lift this up. lift this thing up. Yeah. Oop. I tore some of the page up. And then let's put it like right here, so that we're also getting those, the edges kind of there. Okay, and then we need to cut this down. Let's put a quote in there, even if it's like, oh, here's my quotes. Here they are. Sea, sand, and salt. Even the sun knows when to rise again. Ocean holic. Where the sun. Barefoot days. Maybe that's something we can put. Barefoot days. Ooh, that's so lovely. Oops. I gotta put it straight though, right? Yeah, this I want to get up again, so let's put some of those things. Shells. Cute. Super cute. This one, what else can we put here? Why is this all sunset? Beach vibes. Let's put this like palm fronds over there, and say ocean holic. Ocean holic. Yes, love that. And sea, sand, and salt. Okay, and then so this one's, I just put some quotes that I come across, and then I think, what else can we put down? Do we want to add anything else for her? You want some cup of coffee? Cup of coffee, because I have this. I'm like, you want to add some more? Not really. Doesn't. We're not gonna put that down. Look at how the coffee is even. It's gonna spill over. Yeah, let's get that out. Yes. Okay. Oh no, now it's sticky. Okay, so that is for this page so far. Let's see what else needs some things. It's like it's already kind of full. Maybe this area. Yeah, this one. This bottom part needs something. Let's see, what can we put down? What's left of my stickers? Ooh, we have the seahorse. Oh yes, we have some nice lemonades. Let's maybe put a collage of stuff together. We have some nice lemonade here, juice, some nice florals. Some nice florals here, some pineapple. Ooh, we even have a coconut here. Yum. We have a coconut. We have some ice cream. Yes, of course, we need that ice cream. We have a nice candle and a coconut husk. That's super cool. And I still have this. Let's put that down. Okay, so I think it's coming out to, yeah, like just enough space for what I need to write down. Now it gets sticky. Let's put something on this because it got a bit sticky. What can we put there? Maybe a fan. Yeah, let's put the fan there because it's gonna stick to my pages. Okay, so let me grab my days of the week and then show you, and then stick it down and show you the finished product. All right, here is the finished spread. I already put the days of the week. Super, super pretty. So beachy. Such a nice vacation time. Love the fashion dolls. And then here is the rest of the days, and this is my anything goes notes. So yeah, that is what we have for my coming week. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.